everyone, I'm back with another watermelon recipe. Before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Ingredients are very less and easy to make. As per your choice of ice cubes, you can add into a glass. Here I'm using mint ice cubes. A small glass of watermelon juice. And equal amount of coconut milk. Consume this juice thrice a week to get your skin white, and coconut milk helps your skin glow. Both coconut milk, watermelon good for health for skin as well. Finally, add your frozen watermelons. Mix well and enjoy your drink. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching.